share these ratings. And I ain't worried about your little comment section. The world got a bunch of bigger fish to fry, and I ain't served you nothing but a dish to try. It doesn't cut my wings if you wish to fly. Before I leave, I give my girl a kiss goodbye. It's non-fiction when I get in the booth. And to these rappers, it's like pulling a tooth to tell the truth. And that's the message that they're telling the youth. It's like they're feeding us some poisonous fruit. Hey, what's the use? No truce. I'm getting loose. Can't be outside if you're scared of your shadow. Never judge a man for it, though I'm never that shallow. Building my space, I'm the king of my castle. I'm done spending time doing shit I don't have to. This ain't easy that does it, I gotta keep it 100. Do you believe in it? Like really, what's the reason you love it? Are you just seeking validation from the people or something that's even deeper? Like the demons, why you keeping them covered? I got a bunch of different themes, I'm not a genius or nothing. Just on my feet for long enough where I be seeing it coming. I know the history repeat itself and need a discussion. This life will beat you in the head until you bleed in concussion. It's like, don't complain about my prices. Every day I get in the ring with my vices. Can't fight this night and night like this. Right my old wrongs, but no, you can't write this. Same dude might just be a little meaner now. Same blues, I'm just trying to make them greener now. Lost faith, but I'm trying to be a dreamer now. I'm looking at the different ways, I can see it now. Damn, yeah, okay, yeah. Can't be outside if you're scared of your shadow. Never judge a man for it, though I'm never that shallow. Building my space, I'm the king of my castle. I'm done spending time doing shit I don't have to. Me that the flow sick, I'm living in the dorm room, but really I'm homesick and barely go to class cause now the music my focus. This the era known as paying your dues. I started posting my songs to get a couple of views, and I don't know where I'm going, but I got a couple of clues. The only guidance I'm accepting that's to come from my muse. And I was playing it cool, ain't really showing my hand. Now I got a degree, but still ain't got me no fans. I got me a plan, at least that's what I'm telling my folks. They looking back like I'm telling them jokes. I'm on the ropes, go fast forward now to the present day. 2025, still building a resume. Took a lot of blows, you would think I did MMA. Didn't let the blood suckers round, got repellent spray. Another day alive, built another brick. Getting older and it's harder to recover quick. Every artist on the grind, praying some stick. Before we running out of time, there's another tick. You can't just take, now you need to add some value too. And they won't value you if you don't value you. And that's the one that I've been pushing myself on. It felt wrong, I sell myself short till my health's gone. Sometimes you gotta tighten up, put the belt on, instead of sitting idle wondering what the hell's wrong. Last year was tough, I thought of cashing out. Conversations in my head had me lashing out. I was trying to find things to be mad about. Started thinking like a victim, what was that about? Hey, what was that about? I went back to New Hampshire for an energy spark. Can only move so far when your energy's dark. And that was me, I'm just keeping it a century mark. Past failures left me skeptical, my memory's sharp. So if you got advice for me, then it better be smart. My life episodes in different documentary parts. Feeling rehabilitated like I'm reborn. We're staring at an algorithm begging for a reward. Like it's a boss I report to before I record. Had to get in touch with my spirit and start to read more. 2025, I've been feeling like I'm reborn. We're staring at an algorithm begging for a reward. Like it's a boss I report to before I record. Had to get in touch with my spirit and start to read more. Ay. Days and days I'm lost in, and all that weight gets hard to hold. But I move straight and keep on walking. We'll see which way it all unfolds. That glory road, that glory road, that glory road, that glory road. When Jerry's talking his shit, they say he arrogant. Claim you self-made, I know that money's inherited. My first hand will slap you, the second hand's the embarrassment. Really, I'm empathetic. Wait, somebody call a medic. But not for me. Allow me to facilitate the artistry and illustrate. My mental's in its illest state. I can speak my truth and regardless, they're gonna still debate. Promise you ain't living here rent-free, no real estate. I don't do the gimmicks and promotion stunts. I don't want the view unless it's oceanfront. Nothing overnight, it's been a slower rise. I still get to it, no surprise. Still got an album to drop, they can't keep up. Fuck the club, I'm off at Tecate and cantinas. They know tequila, we move fast, had to pick the speed up. I'm going big, fill the whole arena. Round of applause, yeah. I mean, you can clap if you want to, you don't have to. Cause at the end of the day, I'm my own biggest fan.